Guys, welcome back to another art video. Today I'm going to show you how to draw. Hey guys, welcome back to another art video. Today I'm going to show you how to make this awesome cool little wire figure. Super simple, easy to make. All you need is some cheap wire that bends real easy and holds its spot. Very cool. And after you get done making this on your own, you can make other things or add to your wire figure. Like this little fella right here. Filled in his face, gave him some muscles. Grrr. And the rest of his body just wrapped in wire to help hold it in place. You can make him do whatever you want, make him look like he's running, doing sit-ups, who knows. Dancer. And you can make other things go with them, little props. You know, maybe it's this donut. Maybe it's a cane, maybe it's a basketball, whatever you want him to have. You can make it out of wire. Super simple, easy little thing to make. And what you'll see in the video is this basic start to a wire guy. Keep watching, enjoy. Hey guys, here we are getting started, kind of laying some things out here, and I'm going to show you that you want to find the two ends of your wire and then find the middle of that wire. And I use a finger or two to determine the size of my head, just by using my two fingers and wrapping around it and then twisting that wire to make the neck. So at this point you have a head and a neck, and I'm reaching these things out each way, trying to figure out how long I think the arms might look like. Right now, that looks like pretty close to where the arms are going to be. I'll lay it down and kind of describe what that shows in just a second. So at this point we have the head and two arms. Just like that. Head and two arms. Those extra wires that are hanging out there, we're actually going to wrap around right next to the neck to hold the arms to the neck area. Just like that, it wrapped up and down. Just like the other one, I'll wrap it up and down. I'll do one more wrap on each one of those. It doesn't matter if you wrap over or under, as long as you wrap around it 2 times on each side like this. It'll hold that together. And really hold it tight all the way through. We're going to wrap it underneath there as well, and that'll hold the entire neck and shoulder body area together. It won't fall apart on you. And that's just me playing. The next part we're going to be making will be the torso or the body part of the wire figure. And I usually like to use 2 fingers again, just wrap the wire around my 2 fingers. Creates a little body area. Kind of slipped out on me when I was playing with it, so I had to rewrap it. No big deal. Get it rewrapped. There you go. Get a little excited, hit the camera. At this point, now you have to figure out how long the legs are going to be. So you can see I'm bending the wire up, trying to see how long those legs could look like, and I bend the wire to make it look like a knee. And then ultimately I kind of decided I had to just have enough wire left over to turn those into tiny little feet. And those little feet will actually hold it up too. And there you go. You have yourself a wire figure, and it looks like he's running. Ah!